The first time I walked into the Aveda Institute, I felt like I was home. I felt like this was the place for me, and this is really where I wanted my career to actually evolve.
So my educators have been great from the get-go. All of them have been very inspiring and they all love their jobs. Not only do they love their jobs, but they love the industry and they're passionate about the industry.
When students leave the Aveda Institute, I think they definitely have an edge because we have such a good curriculum. It's so current and it's always evolving and always changing.
My favorite part of attending Aveda Institute Winnipeg is the friends that I made in my class. I came in not really knowing what to expect, and we all feel like family now, and we spend all day, every day with each other.
My favorite part of attending this school is how small my class size is and how educated my teacher is.